everyone! The weather is getting better finally, and I've been outside doing gardening and fixing shelves DIY things, and then thought about I don't feel like cooking today, so I will make salad by using daikon. Daikon is also called as Mooli in South Asia, like from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. They eat this as well. So you can buy this radish, daikon radish, at Tesco's or Sainsbury's, but probably smaller one, not as huge as this one. I bought this one at Korean supermarket. It's 1 kilo, £1.99, so it's a good price. And yeah, as well as the local supermarkets you can probably find from the Indian grocery stores or Chinese grocery stores. So let's get started. Okay, it's いただきますタイム。いただきます。I love this so much. I usually have this 3 times as big as this bowl because I love this. And especially during summer when I lost my appetite, it's so fresh and then gives me a strength. It's so refreshing. So you should try. Some people might think mixing mayonnaise with soy sauce is yuck, but try this first before you say anything. You'll be surprised. So I will finish this. Last corner. Stay safe, eat healthy, and take care. See you next time.